megalayapost.news
Kasunong maulan dep Hariboy District kalayo ka jingker ku ka bakraw hakaroy ka par hadian bamenta ka sngi baar la plepay ba ka community biofloc fish farming unit pat bon tali ki pat ki project hapo ka samsat adash gram yojana SAGY2 ya kani kasunong la shimtido MP Rajya Sabha Dr. WR Kharlukhi ban pet kerpang ya ka kampan roy ka bahap hapo ka umsning CNR di blong kini ki project ki bala plepay ba ki kantup ya ka community biofloc fish farming unit ki surok snong ka zonal reservoir bat ki pat ki project ki bala panturi kam ling ba ki convergence schemes boper ki batmu ban kan tiyo kayo ka kot bat ka jing im jong kinong song ke SAGY ka ka program bala sedang do menteri rang ba do kari India Narendra Modi ban penlong ki snong bala jir kerpang kum kinuksa hakal yang karoy kapar kawai ni ki benta bokong santam jong kani ka program ka jing play ka community biofloc fish farming unit ka badan khasan tali ki unit ki bala tei haka jinglot ka bala kot sha ka yui point khat ar klur tingka leng ba ka Meghalaya State Aquaculture Mission 2.0 da ka jing kershan jong ka DRDA Riboy District bat ka Power Grid Corporation of India kani ka project kala ban penmi hadu arpo 1000 kilo kadok hakawai ka cycle bala ban penya RCN haka sisnam lakmi lenti ba kani ka project kan a ka jing mentoy ka bakra bat kan penklanya ka kamai ka kaji jong kinong rap bat kinong ri dok haka tan hakani ka program Dr. WR Kharlukhi MP Rajya Sabha ulalongkum kongsan kat bau Dr. Celestine Lengdo MLA Kaumsning Constituency ulalongkum sembut kongsan kiwai ki bala don lang hakani ka sngi ki kantup yaw Raja Brahma project director ka DRDA bat nodal officer ka SAGY uba A Mertong video Kaumsning CNR blong kameda ahun kongjliu superintendent of fisheries Riboy District ringkat bat kinoy lam shlong ki officer sarkar bat ki pajba nong shnong
It took me some time to know what it is. I met Sir Vivitan, Sir Akati, some other sinarongiti. Magana dulu patnang mentang nono ni das itu. Ngale ni pun video ni kita nak pisah, lalu kita akan bersama. Andre, pun sebenarnya so name the scheme bukan besar, Andre happy car scheme, tapi pun tak besar lah. Just reverse. But the concept of our PM Modi was very different. We have that model village. The exactly 2022, 1st June, today 2nd June, 1st June, first meeting SAGY of this office. Kami bagi ni bukan lah. Penonton ni lah kan mobilization how to go ahead. The direction from Sir Kharlukhi we have achieved what is theoretically. We feel it that I don't understand you got achieved. Then we have some of us speaker kami lagi ni lah apa yang berkot. Sama nakilem juga ni berkot ini di Pakistan. This is the beginning. This is the beginning of new journey from here. Sementara kita mau exit from SAGY under our honorable officer, his term will be over within this June. So this hand, the golden hand which the support is given to volunteer, it will end. But it is a new beginning, new journey. Infrastructure he created, that have to be translated into our achievement, and simple is that what's the impact? So we have to carry out all the department the impact, assessment impact. And no jimunta jingyo nong kana model village officer.
UAMP na Shillong Lok Sabha constituency. Kabang kamso best part ka jila Meghalaya baro ka way ka don sang UAMP Haraja Sabha. Bat utara UMP udah ringkat bat ni hang ne mentaris ni. Kung u chief guest jongi batung juru udah mau ke daw balai bagi yalum lang hang ne mentaris ni. Batin snothu balai kalong kerpang ngakwa ban patay kindia. Ka umsning constituency kadon shispa khatsan television. Ngaday mga MLA ngapit sispa ka sang television. UMP Raja Sabha udon riu pau teligi constituency. Ken average mapi ladadon kendai pau teligi kesnong hakaway ke constituency ngaladan itu ipi. Ka umsning kadon sispa ka sang. Henry ken average kendai pau multiply daun grupo kalong san hajar saus pa atuli kisnong. Tihan rea po ka census jong ka Meghalaya ngidon riu hajar tam kisnong. Tibanong ba ka Maulandep kadai ka model village jong UMP jongi na Raja Sabha mudur mapi. Kat no ka jingdon bok ka jong pi hapo Maulandep. Nakin riu hajar tali kisnong kiba i Dr. Karluki ila banjit ijit banong ngakwa banjit ya ka Maulandep kum ka model village. Kita tidak haka mathematics kadon karkom kain mo kabaki ong ya ka probability ladan riu hajar tali kisnong sita UMP udon tang riu snam ka chance jong ka Maulandep banyo ya ka tagalat banlong ka model village tolong 0.00001 Dehanrei na ita ipon pat idot lawan rakyat pisah kemat. Dihabai MP jongi habai ikran ya ka SAGY Sansar Adas Gram Yojana kabamut haga kitin kasi kitin fareng ka model village jong UMP. Dengan sno sarong adu kata-kata ba ngiyo ya ubreu Uriu ramba kum i Dr. Karluki ngamio i ba ikren kok sono baka Maulandep kala dur na kadau jong ai kok ile lakakam suki jai te hakata ka jingia entipa u switch ubahe te udeyu Dr. Karluki ngidon pak ki indicator lights ke blue ke stem ke basal kibayat ka Maulandep mo indicator light bablu Dr. Ruben kiba benti kena bagi kam ki ya chat bagi ai kubor si Dr. Karluki
ini ngomong di toilet aku ngintip jong ngomong di hang tai jong medan ngam tip ha na try ke di mana do kha tang yo do hap panra ni wai pak isti Dengan try ini kalau kita kui, bah, kalau ada bentar bikin memang, nanti ini dok hak ini try diberi one, bentar kamu les nokin one hani, berarti ini dok hak ini. But, oi, snow kemendro, apa perketam jangan at least something di village di pun ada, oi, lightly, snow hun, nomor bangai i. The result. Artily, Hagor Hills, request no Chief Minister, why artily, kaya dia, hamalik setay, kampiyan, hamudot sini kampiyan. Di nyumla ang pwesa isa. And really likely, kampiyan ha, Maulandep kawin, KSM kawin, nantara tumulong niya. Di kemudian niya tourism dari ketay, kemudian may idandon pop show hakane ka narangyo scheme na donor la approve mutangi upside of ban accept na finance departments and government ila mo yo approve something to develop the kata or buli jo ba gidi yo so bi na khailang pa buli yo try na le kan ni ba ka more that ani rekomendasi utara ay dalawang ba KSM untuk form adopt ini ke village, nak kali nak betray ke World Mission. Ang ay nga kasi nung ulutang, ay ke KSM. Ang ini ba persiang nak bala ng bagsprok, ba hanto ngasem ba hoy kapor ngidang puli set ong ba the Deputy Commissioner na ni DM is the backbone of Indian administration. Kaya natry ka the video is actually the backbone of Indian administration. Kini ka kam hamni kaya ba video jomni ba perman support. Kaya kam hamte kaya ba the video hotel. Ado ba masih ang siya. Ano dapat kenriya yung video kaya SM naman ang politics mo. Kenriya ni dengar mendesain. Naman ba ini ditereka. Dengan pergi doktor hantai di Lombok saya udah arsitek, yang isnan untuk yang sepok keren, tam kinom terpoy apa untuk among itu ki senang. Di segawai keba, yo kalau ke kami maupun dapat nak berkontribusi kepada solar lain. Yang tempat terakhir full village, yo ke solar lain. Di bawah ini kita persang beliau ini, hendak itu menong, kemudian berwajib di konsep, kayak kita gini. Kerku play bos ngapi di mana di sekri. Namta kemudian ambil ni mana pun beliau kerja. Di bawah Mahika Isnot College di Nepal, dengan Presiden NPP, Pak Ruben dan Bangga. Dan kalau ini menjoin NPP lah join lang, ilang General Secretary. Habang ngajit ini, idai beri tangan Roy dan Pak Daman, Pak Ruben, Pak Hanga, kumta mau mendak, kemudian kita beri penyiar berat, Pak Yok yang dia mengenalkan, Dr. Village, kemudian MND mana, kita bersama menyerap kita ini, Pak kemudian Three, stop. Now we're going to sneak and over to the crew. It's not hard.
Zero water exchange of fish, which means you don't need to exchange any sort of water. And the beauty about biofloc culture is from a small culture unit like this. This is a 30,000 liter capacity unit. You can grow up to 1,500 kg of fish at one culture system. That one culture system means it's only 6 months. In a natural pond, you grow for 1 year approximately. So another beauty about this is you know that fish excretes and they give ammonia. Through the biofloc culture, you convert to giving carbon source, which is it can be yeast and it can be your gur. You add it into the power system, aerate it. Once the aeration is done, it converts your ammonia into nitrates and nitrites, which reduces the feed cost in the production unit. So your feed cost is reduced. Your instead of covering a pond of 0.1 hectare or approximately 1 hectare of pond, you will get the production from a tank like this. So this reduces in peri-urban and urban areas. You can solve the problem of a culture system. Anybody wants to take up entrepreneurship in fishery sector, invest in amount and you can get your production from a very small unit like this. It right now can produce up to 20,000 kgs of fish in one cycle. That one cycle can be 6 months, depending on depending on your temperature. If the temperature drops, then your culture extends to 1.5 years. But if if like a feasible area of now where we have 28 degrees Celsius, if you can culture 2 culture cycles in one year. So that approximately for a farmer, it means translate this into a production of approximately, let's say if we sell it at 350 kgs of fish, because you can culture here fishes that are of higher value. Your shingi, your magu, you can give a little bit of pangasius. Then all those things, if you sell it at 350 rupees, you get approximately 70 lakhs from this whole unit in one cycle. We have small individual units that we have started, but the first ever community cluster based intervention where you have an end-to-end solution, because this is not a standalone project. With it, we have linked under the Meghalaya State Aquaculture Mission 2.0. This project also has a seed production unit here within Maulindep itself. Then you have a feed mill within the village itself. Then you will have, because right now we're concentrating on culture. Then we also have a post-harvest solution. So you will have a cold storage here within the village itself. You'll have a fish transportation and you will have a retail unit. So this is an end-to-end solution kind of a model pilot. This is the first of its kind in the state.
MeghalayaPost.news